My first job being with a vending machine is taking some time off with these fall cleaning.
While cleaning? Wait, are they working together?
Boxxo, can I have some water, please? Thank you so much. Being here is just how really good for you, Boxxo. Okay, back to work. I'll put my bottle over here.
She got only one in her pocket. That's pretty good.
Okay, now I'm done. I put some of these leaves into the garbage. Yep, take out the garbage for leaves.
Where the heck is she going?
Wait for garbage truck to get by, and then we'll have to do. Okay? Congratulations. Good.
So that's what I said.